Hello students, today's tutorial will be on set theory. So let's get started. So let us first read the question. The question is, if a is equal to n where this is an integer and itself is an integer, okay, then the number of elements in the set A, we have to comment on the number of elements. So we have n cube plus 5n square plus 2 by n can be rewritten as n square plus 5n plus 2 by n. Therefore, this term, which is n cube plus 5n square by 2 by n, is an integer if 2 by n is an integer, isn't it? This implies n is equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Okay? So A will consist of 4 elements. How come? So it will be, we have minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 and plus 2. So if you look at the options, our computed value of 4 elements exactly matches with option D. So D is the correct answer for this particular question. Moving on. So let us read the question, the next question. If A and B are two sets such that we have NA is equal to 7 and B is equal to 6, and their intersection is not a null set, the greatest possible value of A delta B, and this delta in case of set theory denotes symmetrical difference. So it denotes symmetrical difference, or you can also say, call it symmetric difference. So symmetric difference between the two sets. Okay, so we need to find the greatest possible value of this. So we have A delta B is equal to A union B less A union B. This implies NA delta B is equal to NA plus NB minus 2NA intersection B. So this comes, the only term with a negative sign is this. So this term will be highest if the term on the right hand side with a negative sign is least. So NA delta B is greatest when A intersection B is least. Okay, now it is also given that A intersection B is not a null set. Okay, so least number of elements in this A intersection B set can be 1 because it is not a null set. Okay, therefore the greatest possible value, so the greatest possible value of A delta B will be is 7 plus 6 minus 2 into 1. where this is 1, this is 7, this is 6, and this 2 comes here. And this is equal to 11. Our computed value is exactly equal to option number A. So option A is the correct answer for this particular question. So for this, we end this tutorial on set theory here. I'll meet you in our next tutorial where we will discuss some more sums related to set theory. So stay tuned.